Ever pondered about the labyrinth of challenges that e-commerce SEO presents? In the dynamic world of digital marketing, understanding and mastering SEO for e-commerce can seem daunting. But worry no more. This video is going to unravel some of the most effective and actionable SEO strategies for your online store. First on the list is keyword research. It's not just about finding keywords, it's about finding the right keywords. Look for those that have high search volume and are relevant to your product or service. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs can help you in this quest. Second, optimize your product descriptions. Avoid using generic manufacturer descriptions. Instead, create unique and enticing descriptions using your researched keywords. Not only will this help with SEO, it will also increase the likelihood of conversions. Third, focus on user experience. A website that is easy to navigate and quick to load not only pleases your customers, but also search engines. Google, for instance, considers page load speed and mobile optimization as ranking factors. Fourth, leverage the power of social proof. Encourage customers to leave reviews on your products. Positive reviews can boost your credibility, increase conversions, and improve your rankings on search engines. Fifth, create high-quality content. This could be in the form of blogs, videos, infographics, or guides related to your products or industry. This not only helps to attract and engage customers, but also signals to search engines that you're an authority in your field. Last but not least, don't neglect technical SEO. Make sure your site is secure, HTTPS, has a clear and logical URL structure, uses schema markup, and is free from broken links or errors. Now remember, SEO is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. The algorithms of search engines are continuously evolving, and so should your SEO strategies. To recap, the key to mastering e-commerce SEO lies in conducting thorough keyword research, optimizing product descriptions, enhancing user experience, leveraging social proof through customer reviews, creating high-quality content, and ensuring your site is technically sound. Stay ahead of the game by regularly updating your SEO strategies and keep an eye on your competition. With a bit of perseverance and the right tactics, you can climb the search engine rankings and make your online store more visible to potential customers. SEO might be a labyrinth, but with these actionable tips, you have the map to navigate it successfully. Happy optimizing!